Hello everyone, welcome to TECHNIA Sciences vlog, BIOVIA Insights Unveiling the Future of Innovation. Join me on this exciting journey as we explore groundbreaking discoveries and cutting-edge tech. Let's dive into the future together. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of molecular properties. We'll be using BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot to calculate pKa and logD values of a set of natural amino acids. This information is crucial in various scientific fields, including drug design and biochemistry. Why are pKa and logD values important? Well, they provide insights into a molecule's ionization behavior and its partitioning between water and an organic solvent, respectively. Today, we'll use BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot to calculate these properties for 20 natural amino acids. The logD and pKa component is our key tool for this task. It performs the calculations without altering the ionization state of the molecules, which is crucial for preserving the integrity of the amino acids. First, you'll need to import the dataset. Once your dataset is loaded, you can run the protocol. After running the analysis, we'll unveil the natural amino acids, their atom properties, name, and logD value. This information is used in various scientific fields, including medicinal chemistry, drug design, and bioinformatics. It helps researchers and scientists make informed decisions about the behavior of any molecule in different contexts. BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot equips us with a powerful tool to calculate pKa and logD values for any molecular, in this case, natural amino acids. This knowledge is fundamental in understanding the properties and behavior of these amino acids in various scientific applications.